Hello everyone and welcome to my channel Options Trader Today. So today in this video I'll explain you how the price of gold has moved in the last 2 days and how the price of gold can move in the next 2 days. See what we have seen on Friday, the price of gold is continuously moving down after making a new high. Okay, and the high was at around a level of around $2941 and from there it came down. Okay, middle of around $2877. After that, today what we have seen, it is trying to go higher, made a high of around 2907 and a low of around $2881. Okay, chances can be high that if the price keep moving above this particular level, there is a probability that it can cross a level of $2910 because that is already being tested. So chances are high, the price will cross this level and it will go towards $2927. Okay, and if that sustain, we will see that it can cross a level of 2941 and then further upside movement we can see. But if the price started coming below a level of 2881, then there is a probability that it will move below a level of today's low, that is $2878. And because this level is already weak, this particular support, so chances are high it will move towards 2865 and then further low we can see. Okay, but if you look at this particular trend, what you have to understand that whenever it is making a high, we have seen a good fall comes because profit booking comes at this particular level. Okay, now if I show you today's 15 minutes chart, you will understand that the price, how the price is moving for so long. See, if you look at 15 minutes chart, what we have seen a good volatility. Okay, so chances are high this particular pattern is supporting downtrend. So if the price started going below a level of 2894 today, we can see there will be a chance that it can move towards $2886 and a probability of crossing 2877 will be there. Okay, and then a further downfall we can see towards 2862 and then a further downfall. But if the price sustain this level, it can move towards $2903. That is already being weak resistance, so chances are it will cross that level and from there it will move towards $2908 and from there a probability of going towards 2913 to a level of $2920, and then there will be a zone breakout, so further upside we can see. Coming back on the device chart. Okay, so before I move ahead and explain you, if you have any doubts, you can mail me at stockmarkettradinglive@gmail.com and one more mail id in the description. And please watch the full video so you understand how this technical work, and a telegram link also given in the description, you can join that too. Okay, see if you look at the dollar index, you will see that the dollar index now trading at a level of $106.7. Okay, and chances of moving further low will be there if the price keep moving below a level of $106.5. Okay, and then a probability of touching a level of 106.2 we can see, and if that didn't sustain, a further fall we can see towards $105.6 and from there a level of 105.3. Okay, this is the zone, so there will be a further downfall we can see. Suppose if the price didn't sustain this particular level, so chance of touching 105.5, from there a level of $104.8. But suppose if it sustain, it can move towards 107.1 and from there a further upside movement we can see to be $107.3. Suppose if the price sustain above that level, probability of going towards 108.5 will be there to a level of 109, and if that sustain above that level, we can see level of 109.5 and then a further upside movement. Okay, so when I'm telling you that the dollar index started going upside, we will see the price of gold will come down. If similarly if the dollar index started going down, we will see the gold price will go up. This is what we can see. Coming back on the gold price, what we can see, looking at this particular chart, suppose if the price sustain this level, we can see it will touch today's high, that is at around level of $2906. Okay, and once started going up this level, probability of touching 2909 will be there. Okay, and then the next resistance 3 coming at a level of $2911. Okay, and once the price moving over that particular level, chance of going towards 2927 will be there, and if that sustain a further high, we can see towards a level of $2943. Okay, and if the price moving over level of 2943, chance of touching 2946 will be there, and then there will be a zone breakout towards an upside. Okay, so what you can do is you can trail SL by $5, so you can capture a big movement towards an upside. So chances are high it can touch a level of 2950 also, and 50 also to a level of 2970, and then a further upside also we can see. But suppose if the price didn't sustain, keep trailing your SL by $5 or $3, so you can capture a big movement towards upside. But suppose if the price didn't sustain, what we can see, market is uncertain. You have to understand, if the price didn't sustain, it can come towards a level of $2887. and from there a further next support we can see coming at a level of 28.82. Okay, and if the price falling below that particular level, chance of going towards a level of 28.77 will be there, and then there will be a zone breakout, so further downfall we can see towards 28.74, and if the price going below that particular level, chance of touching 28.63 will be there. Then there will be a zone breakout, so further fall we can see towards 28.59, and then from there a level of around $28.51 we can see. So okay, so if the price start falling below that level, we can see a level of 28.45, and then to a level of 28.40, to a level of 28.34, and then we can see there can be a further downfall we can see in the price of gold. Okay, so you have to understand, as soon as the price started going below a level of 28.34, chances of going towards 28.30 we can see, and then from there a level of 28.17, and a further fall we can see because there will be a trend breakout, so further downfall will be there. Any doubt regarding this, you can mail me. I've given the mail ID is also in the description. So hope you like the video, and if you like the video, please give a thumbs up.